my God, muntikan pa akong ano. No, it's a video.
I'll be so. Mang.
Friendships keep falling up. Saan yung alin?
So guys, bakit isama ako sa vlog?
Mag-vlog ba ako?
O pala hindi naman lagi ako
Like,
bupost niya.
So, for today's video, may kami sa John Hay sa Lemonade Hotel. Ang laki ng mukha ko. Salamat, Doc. Medyo maano yung weather, makulimlim.
It's gloomy guys.
Which is good, kasi maglalakad-lakad kami. Yeah.
Tsaka masyado kaming madaming nakain.
See? Yeah, okay. Eat all you can.
Anong rate mo?
Ang rate ko ay...
Sa lemonade.
Saan?
Lemonade?
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Medyo kulang siya sa food, but kulang pa siya sa variety ng foods. Hindi siya super dami. So,
Pero yung mga pagkain niya, sa
the best naman. Okay naman siya. Compare ko sa my outfit.
outfit
Outfit check. Gold hoops. Initial necklace na gold. Then, this top
from
from H&M. Pants from TikTok. Shoes from Payless. Wow, next.
Session. Ito, TikTok. TikTok din yung top. Pati yung pants.
And then,
Pati yung shoes. TikTok.
lahat, naka-boots
And the
kasi
bag.
siya. So, walking TikTok shop si Ima ngayon.
Oh,
Uy! So, dito kami sa Mile High Center.
the smell is not promising.
Amoy tayo. So, ganun yung itsura, guys. Parang may pathway doon. Hindi ko rin alam kung saan kayo pupunta. Susundan lang namin si Tita. Ang creepy ng bahay. Yun yung mga naanong sa Conjuring. Yan o. Yan guys, yung bahay.
Yung pinanood nila guys.
Parang Conjuring. We need Lorraine. We only have Lorraine. But we need Lorraine.
Oh, my characters are not Lorraine.
Lorraine. Hindi siya Lorraine. Lorraine. Kaya namin inaasar si Lorraine. Wala ka Lorraine. Yan nagpo-practice studies. Ako naririnig niya yung background music. May nag-film ng dance. Pang jazz. Oh, ito yun. Yung jazz the music. Oh!
We're here na.
We're here na, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Yan. Nike Factory Store.
It's Nike.
Nike.
Nike Factory Store. It's not factory, it's factory.
Factory? Baka naman sa Amerika, Lu.
Family.
Bae. Ang ano na.
Matake natin for today. Tayo naka-t-shirt guys.
Yan. Gala. Ang galang outfit. Elegant.
Laki niya.
Ang daming nga. Okay, pasok tayo. Ayan sila.
Malimit yata sila nag-video.
Parang kailangan nila yan. Kaya ano. Steak.
This is you after.
I didn't get a blood donation. I didn't give blood.
Kasi may rabies.
I have anti-rabies. I'll show you the culprit. Wait.
Ang bagal, ang bagal.
Wait lang.
Yeah, yan talaga yung favorite mong picture niya, ano, story.
Grabe kanina.
So, this is her.
Parang hindi.
After blood donation.
Grabe talaga yun.
First time
Ikot
this
ka
one.
daw.
U-turn?
She did not donate.
Buti nga
And I did not donate.
Kabit mo nga.
Prodo, lagay mo man. Ikot ka dun sa
Tayo yung
Memorial Circle ba yan?
Fifth wheel.
Yung malaking bill.
Tayo third wheel, fifth wheel tayo
Paano?
for today's video.
Wow. Ikaw na ang moist ngayon.
Oh my god, we're here at Makati. Nagaling lang namin kay Papa. Heart center. With her. And everything. So today, we are here at SLU kasi nag-entrance exam to the Hopefully, makapasa siya and gagala kami. We're here. Kunwari tayo. Manifest na rin to. Yes! Yes, anong kailangan mo? Anong kailangan mo? May problema ka ba? Ang ganda! Visit ka! It's very cutesy, patootsy. I like this office. Hinihintay si Kylie. Go, Kylie, go. Ayan na si Kylie. Go, Kylie, go. Wow. Asan na siya nawa? Ayun. Go, Kylie, go. Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Okay na. Chewy cookie. And we will taste it. Taste test, y'all. Ano siya matigas? Ooh, that's...
Welcome to the rain show.
I'm sure, masarap?
Nag-color.
Lens siya, guys. Ano, ba't ganyan? Pero hindi siya, ano yung lasa niya? I-describe mo naman.
Hindi ko ma-describe. Milo.
May crunch mo? 7. Okay.
So, yung 150 mo, worth it.
Ay, malaki ng mukha. Today is Holy Week. Ang araw dito sa Baguio. At our outfit, guys. Flower. Mas puti pa.
Tapos ngayon ka nag-season pero
Ngayon lang kami nag-floral. Samantalang yung suot ko nung black. Ano ko ba? Di malamig din naman kasi medyo din ang time na yun.
you look so deep, you know.
It's your vibe, my friend. It's your
Oh my God, but people say Justin Bieber.
Hindi talaga yung tinatapos. Kita mo yung bed ko?
I know you care. Just how we never and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and we can never ever be apart. But be united, you're debating. We're just friends. What are you saying? So there's another look right in my eyes. My first time from our point, first time, and now it's like baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh, doesn't always be like baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh, doesn't always be.
I'm praying that time makes it changing. You're I'm realizing how much you mean. And I wanna spend it with nobody else. Hear me? Don't worry.
Tteokbokki because I craved it. Oh, shucks ang awkward. Wow. Nainis ako dito. Fresh ko naman dyan. Oh my God. Pang may beauty. Oo nga. So fresh. Like, we're going to learn the third cafe. The third
Place cafe.
Hindi siya
I don't
first,
know.
hindi siya second.
Kasi
third.
parang sabi nila, extension daw siya ng BIC or BCI.
Basta yun, yung
Based
cafe
on
na
my
yun.
research.
Pricey siya na cafe. Pero ililibre ka.
Hindi siya yung pricey na.
Ganon. Pricey talaga. Ano ito? Yeah. So we're gonna go there. Okay ako. Piling ko pag nandun ako yung parang, ito na lang. I mean, Brent School. Oh, Brent. Dito pala ikaw.
Brent,
This is the
yes.
Brent Road. And then we will go to the Brent School.
It's an international
Brent School. I don't know if you can see it. But it's for you, Brent. That it's your school. Brent School. Ano, di ba? Ito rin kasi, di ba Brent Road to? This is also Brent Road. Brent everything. She's walking through the wilderness. So let's go. Ito ni Brent eh. This is your territory. Brent Guest House. Guest House. View of the place. There's Imang. There's Tita. That's Shannon. Walking to the road. There's the Brent Guest House. Oh, my playground. They said a playground. Hi, vlog. We are back at it again. Back at it again. We're here at Ayala. Sinabi ko. We're here at Ayala Mall. Bibili si Isa ng school supplies and gagana lang kami. And then it's the debut of brushing. Happy birthday to you. You know what, guys? I had a moment before being in here. This is a disclosed emergency situation. Kung ganun, Jenny. Wala na. Basketball player na yun. Okay, let's wait. Kanina pala, guys, nagalit ako. But it's all good now. Tokyo, you are eliminated. So this is Awisa. She's buying her black shoes. This is Wayne. This is Maui. And this is Shannon. Wala kasi siyang ano pala si Ate Shannon. Wala siyang R and L. Kaya Maui, Wayne, Awisa, Shawen. Shawen. Shannon. 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 Tapos kayo namin, nagustuhan akong slippers, but I bought, guys, ODB. ODB. Ay, mag-hiking ka pa. Ang ganda yun, sa kakaiba ka. They say what? Michael! I love you, Michael! Right. Ikaw si Joseph. Gawin mo yun eh. Let's say, it's the last time to Maui yan. So, what you think?
Ilaw na basa.
Hindi na ako bibili ng black shoes, guys, because I'm a college girl now. I'm gonna end this video, guys, because Maui is busy picking some mullets. Goodbye, y'all. So, Glorieta. And Glorieta, we be having a marathon right now. Matamis? Hindi na pa kami tama ng tao. For no reason at all. Pagod na siguro tayo, hindi natin na-realize. Joe! Ba sa Baguio tayo? Oo, ganun din tayo, diba? Sticker? Grabe yun. Parang na ako nababalit. Pwede. Hindi naiinis sa atin yung ano. Hindi, siguro natatawa din sila. Ayan, naghahanap na sila. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na kami. Later again. So, we're in New York. May ginagawa lang construction sa likod. Pero nasa New York talaga kami. Oh, di ba? May SM. Dito mo makikita na andito lahat parang talagang nasa New York. Lahat ng Pinoy. Talagang napapalibutan talaga. Talagang Pinoy. Gumiginhawa na ang Philippine economy. Kaya napapapunta na ang mga Pinoy sa New York. Go tayo sa Uniqlo. We're gonna go. OOTD. Ayan, nagdidiskusyonan na sila. Team.
Team naman to ah. Pagtang-titingnan. Hindi.
Andun yung isa.
Large.
Maglibot ako. Bye. Girl. So, yung skirt ni mama na checkered. Ayan yun siya, yan siya. Oh my God. Dapat palda ni mama. Pagkat maliit siya, doon tayo sa bambag. Hindi. Na-attract lang tayo doon kay Monchichi. Tayo sa ano, sa circle. So, we're on the mission to find the ano ni mama. Nasaan na yun? Diretso. Naigtugtug mo yung sa Powerpuff Girls. Yung yan, gano'n. Yung sarili ng bak. Ay. Oh, it's Monchichi again. Galing hunted by Monchichi. Kaya din tumaas. Okay, tataas tayo. Have a change of scenery. Oh, there's Monchichi again. Monchichi, stop hunting us. Monchichi, stop. Pero pangalan niya, Monchichi. Kaya mochi mo siguro yung ano ni ano. Okay, dito tayo sa second floor. Oh, success kami sa paghahanap. Ano yun sa kanya? Large. Ito yung hinahanap namin and we found it, guys. It's mine now. So, sasalubungan natin sa Ate Shannon. Kasi, gulata daw siya. Gulate, paano magugulatin eh, bunga na bunga nila. Here she is, in all her glory. Guys, be proud of me. Ilang oras na kami nandito sa Ayala and wala pa rin ako nabibili. Ako may bakman. Wala ako nabibili. Be proud of me. Tatlo ba muna? Oo. Wow. Yan. Yan. Tama. Perfect. Go. Mga diluno type shit. Brazilian. We are Brazilian people. Ay, walang patungan. Today is the birthday celebration of Samantha Grace. 18 na siya, guys. Kasi bibili kami ng kung ano.
Wow. Tapos nakalagay yun sa ano, sa malaking widescreen. Surprise ko na yun. Paano message mo kay Lorraine?
Hindi, yung mga friends niya.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Mga friends ni Choy.
Kasi di ba sabi reborn?
Kuha tayo dun sa cellphone ni Papa, marami.
Kasi di ba reborn?
Oo, reborn.
siya. O di,
Second
sino kaya mga
life.
pwedeng, alam ko na.
Makulimlim.
Sila ano, na, ano yun, beautiful chocolate.
Nyawa! Matangis gina.
Ay, Kuya Butchay!
Aray ka na ba, Choy?
Ay, magbagong buhay ka na kita.
Imaw na ang ima ni duwa pa nga duwa nga buhi. Aray.
Yung mga sisterettes, I wanna see how.
Eh, try mo silang ano.
Iiyak lang yun! Hindi ka pa nagbibideo, iiyak na yun.
Tito Bog siguro. Ah, kuya. Kuya.
Ano? Happy birthday! Natin yung mga bulaklak kay Grace.
Okay na yan.
Malungkay.
Yung mga tira-tira.
Di ba sa